All the living things are composed of cells. A single cell is the smallest unit that has all the characteristics of life. Cell is defined as the structural and functional unit of the living body. Each cell in the body needs nutrition and oxygen. It produces its own energy necessary for its growth, repair, and other activities. A cell eliminates carbon dioxide and other metabolic wastes. It shows immediate response to the entry of invaders like bacteria or toxic substances into the body. Finally, the cell reproduces by division, though there are some exceptions, like the neuron, which does not reproduce. Tissue is defined as the group of cells having a similar function. All the tissues are classified into 4 major types, which are called the primary tissues. The primary tissues include muscle tissue, such as skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Nervous tissue, including neurons and supporting cells. Epithelial tissue, such as squamous, columnar, and cuboidal epithelial cells. And connective tissue, including cartilage, bone, and blood. An organ is formed by 2 or more primary types of tissues which execute the functions of the organ. Some organs are composed of all the 4 types of primary tissues. Some examples of organs in the body are the brain, heart, lungs, stomach, intestine, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, kidneys, and endocrine glands. The organ system is defined as a group of organs that work together to carry out specific functions of the body. Each system performs a specific function. The digestive system is concerned with digestion of food particles. The excretory system eliminates unwanted substances. The cardiovascular system is responsible for the transport of substances between the organs. The respiratory system is concerned with the supply of oxygen and the removal of carbon dioxide. The reproductive system is involved in the reproduction of species. The endocrine system is concerned with the growth of the body and the regulation and maintenance of normal life. The musculoskeletal system is responsible for the stability and movements of the body. The nervous system controls the locomotion and other activities, including the intellectual functions. So, that's the first part on cell physiology. On next video, we crack open the cell and look at its structure. Be sure to subscribe now and click the notification bell so you're ready when that video drops. See you soon!